If you need to send a PowerPoint in Messenger on your laptop, this video will walk you through it step by step in a simple and easy way. Whether you want to share a class presentation, a work deck, or a project file, Messenger makes it quick to attach and send your PowerPoint directly from your computer. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Messenger. You can use messenger.com, or if you're already on Facebook, you can open Facebook chat from there as well. Once Messenger loads, sign in if needed and make sure you're on the correct account. This is important if you manage more than one profile or page. Next, open the conversation where you want to send the PowerPoint file. You can use the search bar to find the person or group chat quickly. Once the chat is open, look for the attach file option. Depending on the layout, this may appear as a paperclip icon or a button labeled Attach File. Click that to begin choosing your presentation. Now, a file window will open on your laptop. This is where you need to locate the PowerPoint file you want to send. Browse to the folder where your presentation is saved and select either a .ppt file or a .pptx file. These are the standard PowerPoint formats that Messenger can send as a file attachment. After selecting the file, click Open. Once you click Open, the file will be attached to your Messenger chat. Before sending, take a quick moment to confirm that the correct file is attached. If you want to double check the name, this is your chance to make sure you didn't pick the wrong presentation. This small step can save you from sending the wrong version by mistake. After that, simply click Send. Messenger will upload the PowerPoint file and deliver it to the chat. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, it may take a few seconds for the upload to complete. If the file is larger than usual, just wait until the upload finishes before closing the chat or refreshing the page. And that's it. Your PowerPoint file has now been sent in Messenger from your laptop. The other person can download it and open it on their device whenever they're ready. This is a really useful way to share presentations without having to email them separately or use another app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple how-to videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.